Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, here to show you how to solder a copper pipe stub out for slab construction. This here is a manifold I built, and I'm going to install a stub out, a vertical piece of pipe with a cap on it. What I'm doing here first is I'm just cleaning the pipe, and I'm also cleaning the fitting. And now I'm going to put some flux on the fitting. Put some flux. I'm going to put a little bit of flux on the pipe. Now this is 1/2-inch copper tubing. Okay, I'm going to do that right there. Okay, now I'm going to solder that just like that. Now I'm not going to put the cap on it yet because I'm not sure if I want to put another kind of fitting on there. So let me light the torch, and I'll show y'all how to solder this. Alright y'all, what I'm doing is I'm heating the fitting, the base of the fitting, the cup of the fitting, the base of it with the tip of the torch. Let's get some more heat. This is just propane. I like using MAP gas better, but this is just propane. You see it's bubbling. Now we want it to change color. See the copper? We want it to change to a purple color. A bluish purplish. Oh, we're not ready yet. And my channel locks. Bang that down a little bit. Wind is blowing, so we gotta keep that heat on that fitting. See how it's starting to change color? Still not ready. See how it's changing color now? It's bubbling a little bit. It takes a little bit to get this stuff hot. Let's get the back side, and we're done. That's how to solder with a propane torch. Let that cool down, and there it is.